Hi, and welcome to this Nextage tips and tricks video. My name is Johannes Liljenhjerte, and today we're going to look at how to combine arrangements and exploded views in 2D drawings in NX. I've made this assembly here containing 3 arrangements. I want to make a drawing of this, and I want to make exploded view of these arrangements. I've made a drawing file. Note that this is a non-master drawing file, so we're having 2 separate files. Here we have the assembly. When we want to import or create exploded views in a non-master drawing, we need to create the exploded views in the drawing file itself. This is why I am currently residing in my modeling application. To get the arrangement in my drawing file, I need to create 3 arrangements. So I'm going to create one called left, middle, and right, just like I had in my other assembly. So I have to create the same arrangement that I had in the assembly file. I'm currently in the left one, so I'm going to right click on my assembly and say I would like to change this to the left. Then I'll go into the right and change my assembly to the right arrangement. Now I have all the arrangements in my drawing file. So now I can make my exploded views. I have to be aware of my model view, which one I'm in. So right now I'm just gonna make one exploded view from the current orientation. I'm going to make one for the middle arrangement. Call this middle. So now I've made the explosion for the arrangement that I wanted. I then have to right click and create a new view. This one I'm gonna call exploded middle. Important thing is now that I change away from this one, because I'm going to make changes in the graphics window and I want to be sure that these are not being saved into this view. The next one I will make one from the right orientation, and I'm going to change it into the right arrangement. And then I'm going to create another explosion. So you can see I have explosion 1, and now I'm going to create a new one, explosion 2, which I'll call right. And I'll just do more or less the same as before. And that's because this is just to show how it works, how you combine these together. Then you can do this with any assembly and any arrangements that you want. So I'm going to right click now, save this, and I'll call this one for exploded right. And now you can see I can double click on my exploded middle, double click on my exploded right to switch between these two. And if I go into any other view, I could go in and change whatever explosion I would like. So you can see if I go into my trimetric, I can remove the explosion from that particular view, but I'll still have them in the middle and the right one. All this was done in the modeling application. So now I can go into my drafting application and create a base view. Notice here that I should choose the drawing file, because in my assembly file I don't have the views that I created before. So I'm going to go into the drawing file, and now we can see that I have my exploded middle and my exploded right. To conclude, we saw how to combine arrangements and exploded views in a non-master drawing by transferring the arrangement from the assembly file to the drawing file, and then create exploded views. The combinations were saved as individual model views, which could be used in the 2D drawings. I hope you found this video useful. Stay tuned for more Nextage videos.